Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another makeup look. This is going to be one of those get ready kind of with me styles where I won't be talking. I know I've been putting out a lot of videos like that just because with Christmas break my house is so loud. It's almost impossible to do any like talking videos, but kids are back in school in about a week and then we can roll back into our chit chat get ready with me videos and more try on hauls which you guys have been requesting. So I have a lot planned out, so just give me some time. You know, when you're a mommy and you do YouTube or any kind of content creating, you kind of got to work around your kids' schedule or it can get a little bit impossible. So I've been doing these kind of videos so I don't have to stop filming completely for you guys. So yeah, today I am here with this look. I used the Huda Beauty Obsession palette. I have two with me here. I have the sapphire and I have the emerald. Today I used the emerald and I am obsessed with this palette. It is such a beautiful palette. The formula is amazing. Everything blended out so nicely and it's this gorgeous palette over here. All these greens are stunning. I did go ahead and add a little bit of glitter and kind of to deepen up the look I used a black eyeshadow, but other than that the palette is actually amazing. And I mean, for $30 you cannot go wrong. I actually want every single shade that she has to offer and I can't wait to use the blue one for you guys very soon. But yeah, this is just a green peekaboo smoky eye type of deal. We have the nude lips going on with Smashbox and the curls out. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then definitely stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you want to see in 2019. We have a lot of content planned out, so don't worry about that, but definitely subscribe. Thank you for all the love on all of my recent content. I appreciate every single comment and like, and just keep them coming so I know what you guys want to see. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. So I'm going to begin with skin and I'm using this Bobbi Brown Illuminator. Absolutely gorgeous. It's brand new to me, but I'm already so obsessed with it. Like, it gives you the most beautiful glow. I'm going to link everything down below for you guys. And for foundation, I'm mixing two of the Makeup Forever foundations and I really like the way it turned out. One was a little bit too light for me and then the other one was a perfect tone, but yeah, the combination of them gave me this beautiful natural glow. Really love the coverage, so stay tuned for a review on some of these foundations, okay? And then for cream contouring, I tried to use a new product and let's just say it wasn't the easiest thing to blend out, so I probably wouldn't recommend using this product to try and cream contour because for me it just was a lot of work. I'm just gonna go back to my Clinique Chubby Stick, which is my favorite cream contour product, but hey, we just made it work. Lots of blending and you know, it turned out okay for me, but not the easiest product to cream contour with for sure. And now we're going to go on to concealer. I'm using my Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion and then my Becca concealer, which I love to layer on top of every other concealer that I have. Just gives me the most beautiful kind of like glowy natural effect under the eyes and makes every concealer look not dry and not cakey. So love combining this one with every other concealer. And then my favorite powder, you guys know I use this all of the time. This is the Too Faced Ethereal Setting Powder and it just does the trick for me. I always use the translucent one. I know they came out with a bunch of different colors, but they were a little too dark for me, so I stuck to the original shade, which is translucent, and it just sets my makeup beautifully without it looking dry or cakey. I did do a little baking on the cheekbones just to emphasize that contour just a tad bit since we're doing very dramatic makeup. And then I'm going in with this palette from Benefit, which has beautiful blushes and bronzers. I'm using the Hoola bronzer to go ahead and bronze up the skin and set that cream contour a little further more. Really like this bronzer. It's definitely a lot darker than the single Hoola bronzer, so I'm not sure what the difference is in this palette. And then I went ahead and used two blushes from the palette and just mixed them together to give me a little bit of a flush, and then this other product here to kind of give me a little glow. It was pretty glittery, to be honest, but you know, it did the trick. I'm going to link that down below actually. And then we are doing brows. I'm using one of my favorite products right now, which is the Lancome brow pencil. I love how thin and precise this is. Super natural, super easy to work with. So loving this one. I definitely want to get more of a neutral shade because this is a tad bit warm for my natural brow hairs, but I love the product and just everything that it does for my brows. Very easy to work with. And now we're going on to the eyes, and I'm using this gorgeous palette from Huda Beauty. This is her Obsessions palette, and I am obsessed. It's so worth the money. I'm taking this kind of like khaki color and going over that with a fluffy blending brush. I'm applying that on the crease area. I did go ahead and prep my lids with some concealer, which is the Laura Mercier, and now I'm going in with this deeper kind of aqua greenish tone shade right here, and I'm going to create a halo eye type of deal. So we're putting that color on the inner and the outer, and we're leaving the center of the lids bare. If you guys want a more detailed video on how to create a halo eye, then definitely comment down below and I can just focus that video on that, because we're kind of running through this kind of step. So I did apply a little bit of a lighter green on the center of the eyes. That's what gives it like a pop, and I'm layering those shades, and now I'm applying a lighter shade on top of that also. That's the trick to creating a perfect halo eye. It's just to layer the colors really nicely. It just gives it more of that pop on the eyes. Now I'm going in with this black from an Anastasia eyeshadow palette, because there's no black in the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm further deepening the inner and outer area of the eyes. Again, another trick to really make that halo eye pop, because you want the center of your lids to be just really just out there and be the focus of the entire look. And then a clean blending brush just to blend any harsh lines and smooth out any edges. Super important when you're doing dramatic looks and when you're using vivid colors. And then I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with that khaki brown again. I'm really elongating that look. And to give it an extra pop, we are putting some loose glitter, and what I do is I just add it with a fluffy brush. That makes the loose glitter a little bit more subtle and just like a little bit more elegant, rather than a chunk of glitter all over the eyes. And then I'm doing a little bit more deepening on the lower lash line with this beautiful pencil from Urban Decay, will be linked down below, and then smoking it out on the lower lash line and really blowing that up. I want it to be super smoky on the lower lash line. I'm applying a little of my It Cosmetics Superhero mascara to my bottom lashes and then to my top lashes. Just a little bit on the top lashes because we are going to apply falsies, because with these kind of looks, I just feel like falsies are a must. They just take the entire look to another level. I am going to be using House of Lashes, and I will be linking them down below. I forget the style, but these are one of my favorites. Give you like that beautiful cat eye effect where the end of the lashes are very wispy. And then for liquid lipstick, I am using Smashbox, and I'm going in with a deeper shade, Deep Thoughts, actually that's what it's called, to line my lips, which I've been doing a lot. Love this color because it's a super neutral brown. And then I'm gonna go in with a lighter shade to go ahead and complete this lip color right over here. This is a really nudie look right here, and the deeper color on the outer half just contours the lips really well. I'm gonna have a video exclusive on how I've been doing my nude lips, because it's just been a game changer. Like, my lips look a lot more pouty. You can see the shape really vividly. It's all about contouring the lips, so look out for that video. And that's pretty much it for this look. I did do some setting spray, but the footage kind of got lost on that part. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and this look, and leave a comment down below, like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.